What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'll be making a Halloween theme horror spooky kind of beat, and if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification and smash the like button. Share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna show you how to create spooky kind of sound. Alright, let's go ahead and find some kind of synth sound. Okay, that sounds good. So I'm gonna drag this to this audio sample control tab, and now I have this. Okay, but this is an A, right? It's A. Okay, so which is it's already been pitched to the right note. So when I press C, it's gonna play the C, and I'm gonna turn on the audio warp. I like it actually. Let's record that, but let me just use the retrospective recording, so I'll have it as a backup if I forgot the melody. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I like that. So I'm gonna go here to the track version here, right? I'm gonna duplicate this version so that I'll have the original ideas not changed. And since I've already recorded that the melody, I'm just gonna arrange it so it syncs with the tempo. Okay, this may not be the tempo that I was looking for, but I'll change it later, right? So it's not a big deal. Cool. Okay. Dope. Okay, I'm gonna just loop this guy here first. I want to make it even more spookier. Let's see what I can do. So maybe I'm gonna add some kind of reverb here. Let's try that. That sounds good. Let me add some halftime. Damn, son, that was scary. Now I'm gonna render this. Okay. Okay, let's try to transpose this up and see how it sounds. I like the lower one, so I'm gonna transpose this down. Cut the low. Whoa. let's move this to the left. Now we got the main hook of this track. Okay, I'm gonna add a few more things on top. Okay, I'm gonna add something else in here. So how about some percussion? Let's try that. I'm gonna add this percussion. No. So this is in D sharp, I believe. Let's tune this to the right note. Okay, now I'm going to loop this here. Sounds good. Let's go to put it as cycle. I'm gonna add choir now. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna reduce the volume a little bit. Volume of this percussion. Okay, let's record again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add reverb to this track. Let's hear it now. I'm gonna render this as well. Cool, let's go ahead and add drums now. Let's record. Cool. So just the velocity and quantize here a little bit. I have to be careful with the last note. The last note is a triplet, so I'm gonna have to change the quantize preset to triplet. Yeah. But let me check the key of this kick. Okay, I'm gonna change the kick. Let me add this one. Damn, sounds dope. Cool. Let's program this snare here. Triplet rhythm for the kick at the end here, so I don't want to add too much of a snare at that area. Yeah, I think that's fine. And I'm gonna add like, okay, this is nice. Okay, I'm gonna create a bouncy rhythm as well for this. Okay, it's gonna be very simple. Less is more, guys, remember that. Okay, we need swings for the tambourine. Okay. I'm gonna duplicate this over. Cool. Okay, let's go ahead and add 808. Okay, I like the rhythm, and I'm gonna quantize this. Okay, that's it guys. It's a very simple spooky Halloween beat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this beat as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.